This is a really fun look. Look, I've curled all of the hair and I'm going to show you something really super simple. This is a very boho chic, very romantic, and you can do this on hair extensions or on curly hair, or indeed, like I've done, on tongued hair. Place a hair elastic in, pull it out from the scalp. I've come out about 4 to 5 centimeters away from the scalp. Okay, split the hair. We're going to split it into two, and I'm going to say simply take the tail through, there it is, up and over and through. Just like that. Okay, and then we're going to pull around and place the texture and play with the texture as much as you want. Do a second ponytail, take that ponytail, take a hair grip through the elastic and flip that up and over, and then tuck all the tails in, giving you this beautiful roll at the back of the head. This is a fantastic hairstyle to add into your bridal collection. And the great thing is, if the bride wants to wear her hair down later, you can just remove it so simply.